Hello everyone and welcome to the Investing Angles channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we will explore Nasdaq and the dollar index. We'll examine the current Elliott Wave structures and candlestick formations as well as their prospects for the end of the month. Recently, we announced our new free reader subscription, which offers occasional access to free articles and charts. The response has been overwhelming, and we received numerous requests for deeper evaluation. In response, we are sharing a promo code today that gives new readers an 88% discount for the first month on our Ultimate package. This package provides access to all rooms except live trading. The discount is valid only today, December 25th, and is limited to the first 20 members. Stay tuned, as we will reveal the promo code and explain how to use it later in this video. But before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest video and support our channel. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. So, this is the latest chart that we are tracking right now. This is the chart that we shared on December 8th, and technically we went long. Since then, Nasdaq is up 2.5%, and we think that it has still potential to move higher. However, we would like to see how it works here, how it behaves in this red rectangle, which could be a triggering point for a bigger impulse down here. So what we can see here, there is a possibility that the index formed a fairly strong impulse of the most recent all-time high, and this could be wave 1 of a bigger correction, or it could be wave A as well. Well, so far we are seeing the very strong wave of the bottom, then a retrace for possibly wave 2 or B, and now index is forming an impulse. So it is already in the target area, and the next couple of days will be critical for that. If it moves over and makes an all-time high, we would see a possibility for the index to extend even higher and end this wave somewhere in 22.6, 22.7 K area. So that's the possibility for now, and let's have a look at the candles. So what candles are telling us? So far the daily frame is bullish, and the chances for a higher high are fairly significant. What is critical though is the 3-day frame, which will be closing tomorrow on December 26th, and it desperately needs to overcome this bearish engulfing which was formed last week. If a failure to do so, it will likely keep the odds bearish, and we might see either consolidation and the move down, or we could see an immediate move down here. Well, that's the possibility. Again, we will be monitoring, so that the Thursday will be the critical day. And from the weekly perspective, is pretty much similar. We had a bearish engulfing, very strong one on the weekly frame. However, just to tell the different thing, so that not always bearish engulfing works on the index, especially if it has very weak bearish support technically. So for now, I would rate this bearish engulfing as a 50-50 chance for both bulls and bears, and the closure on the weekly frame on Friday will be fairly critical. By the way, some services call us a perma bear service, but that's probably not very true, because we are the most accurate bears when there is a bear time, but we are bulls when bears hibernate. And let's move on to the promotional part. So this is our website, and we are right now, as I mentioned, we are offering a big discount for the new members only. And if you want to use this one, you go into the upgrade section or membership section, and you will see the ultimate bundle. It shows everything that it's covered there, and the discount code for today is December 25. If you click apply here, you will see the price change, and for ultimate bundle it's $7.99 for the first month, and then if you decide to stay it will be full price. Well, a fairly good offer if you want to evaluate everything that we produce and everything that we share. Well, otherwise you can always get the reader package, which is free, but you will be only enjoying very few articles that we occasionally share for free public. Alright, so that's about promotion. Let's move on to the dollar index. Well, as Mark Twain might say, rumors of Greenback's death have been greatly exaggerated. And this is why. So this is our famous call on August 23rd. On August 23rd, we said when dollar was 100 and change, we said that dollar has a very good perspective to move about 16% towards 116 or something like this. And we call this based on multiple technical signals, which we thought were very similar to the ones in 2018 that the dollar made in 2018. This is the chart right now, and we can see that the call was fairly accurate, and dollar is already halfway there, so it's up 8.2%, and we are seeing the chances for it to move higher. But let's have a look at different perspectives. From different perspectives. So this is the candle map, and we are seeing that dollar is chugging along very well on the daily frame, and the recent fairly recent crosses, 50 over 100 and 50 over 200 daily moving averages, they are called golden crosses, very strong here, supporting the trend up and nothing else. Speaking about 5-day frame, which closed just yesterday, it's totally bullish, and expectations to go higher are on the table. So we are not seeing any reversal move at this moment. And this is the most interesting part. So this is the monthly closure, perspective monthly closure. What we are seeing here is the big chance for the dollar index to form 3 white soldiers, and these formations, especially on the monthly frame, could be a game changer. Well, it will just reconfirm strong bullish odds on in the long run. Alright, so let's move on to the next chart. So this is the chart that we shared way back in 2020, November 8, 2020, and this has been our roadmap for the dollar index since then. For over 4 years it's been flawless, and you can see that all major points that we indicated on the chart, they're just hitting one by one. And so far gold is tracking toward this blue rectangle that we put a while ago, and it has measures from 113 to 120, approximately 122. Well, that's the chance for dollar to go higher, and well, what we can say about the other currencies, well, you can envy dollar. And this is the short-term frame again, though this is our call on August 30. So when we said, okay, so this is the bottom and there is a chance for going at least 7.7%. So this is exactly what happened with dollar. Right now it's fluctuating here, and the chances for moving higher are fairly substantial. So that's been about all about our update for the dollar and for Nasdaq indices today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to use the discount code if you want to evaluate our service, and happy trading, everyone.